This slide shows the geometry of the product rule with respect from delta V to delta U. The product rule says that the derivative of the product of two functions in the first function times the derivative of the second function plus the second function times the derivative of the first function. In comparison, by the product rule, we have the quotient rule. It says that the derivative of a quotient is the denominator times the derivative of the numerator minus the numerator times the derivative of the denominator, all divided by the square of the denominator. The quotient rule and other differential equations enable us to compute the derivative of any rational function. In this example, we will be using the product rule, where the first function is x and the second function is e to the x. You will get x times the derivative of e to the x plus e to the x times the derivative of x. You simplify, giving you the answer x plus 1 times e to the x. In this example, we will be using the quotient rule, with the top function x squared plus x minus 2 and the bottom function x cubed plus 6. Therefore, y prime is equal to x cubed plus 6 times the derivative of x squared plus x minus 2 minus x squared plus x minus 2 times the derivative of x cubed plus 6. This slide shows a continuation of the previous function. First, we will multiply the two factors, combine like terms, and simplify, resulting in the answer of negative x to the fourth minus 2x cubed plus 6x squared plus 12x plus 6 all over x cubed plus 6 squared. This slide shows a summation of differential formulas we have covered in this section. The first example shows the derivative of a constant. The second example shows the derivative of a constant in a function. And the third example is the product rule. This table is a continuation of differential formulas. The first example is the power rule. The second example is the sum rule. And the third example is the quotient rule. The first differential formula shows the derivative of the natural exponential function, and the second differential formula shows the difference rule.